What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR2. If I follow you, tune in for another one. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss another video. Dropping videos currently 5 times a week. That means if I got them, I'm dropping. So make sure that you tune in. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you every time one drop, you know what it is. Currently dropping at 4 p.m. The alternative time is going to be 10 a.m., which we may be switching to in the future. So just make sure you have the notification bell on daily, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Occasionally a live stream here and there. But you'll never miss any of those things if you have a notification bell. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, guys, let's talk. So this is my first time doing a little video like this, where I sit here and I just talk and I educate y'all, or talk and rant. Today's video is going to be more of a rant more than anything, and that's because I just don't get why some people are so hyped up about Terminator X Max. The reason that I have this discombobulation is because I believe for the purpose in which you use this product is not necessarily for everyone. If you are building a race car, nitrous, boost, whether it be forced induction through a turbocharger or a supercharger, etc., I think this Terminator X very well may be the way to go. However, if that's not the case, then I really don't know why you're wasting your money. The stock ECU, along with O2 sensors and all these sensors that come from the factory, is more than capable of pulling off what a lot of you guys are trying to do with your LS swap. So when you go and you spend this extra money on the Terminator X, and I mean, I get it as far as, you know, possibly down the road, you know, adding a cam, doing things like that. But at that point, a lot of it has to be done manually or with a computer, which would kind of take the need of a tuner, which still has to tune your vehicle, and you still have to pay for it. So I have the top, I don't know, is it 3, 5? Top 3 reasons you don't need a Terminator X. Top 3 reasons being, reason number 1, if you are running just a regular naturally aspirated setup. If you're running a regular naturally aspirated setup, I don't think that there's a need for you to have Terminator X. The money that you would spend on just somebody tuning the vehicle, getting it in the right range, and having the O2 sensors make up the difference, I really honestly think that will be sufficient. Also, if you're already taking it to a tuner, then you've already, I believe you kind of already expressed you've already expressed the non-commitment to really trying to learn how to tune. So it's not anything that you're trying to take on and you're trying to learn personally. You just want your car to run. And I get it. Everybody's not a 3 DIY guy. Or everybody's not a DIY guy or wants to jump in, because you can save a whole lot of time by just paying somebody to do it. and not actually doing the learning curve. You know, for those who are actual DIY guys and true DIY guys, we have more time than we ever have with money, I believe, and that the best way for us to culminate around the things that we do sometimes is just to spend that time, extra time, and learn the software themselves. Could I have bought a Terminator X? Yes. Could I have slapped it on my Cutlass Caprice or a C10? Yes. Would it probably be running optimally by now? Yes. But what would I gain as far as knowledge? Y'all know me, y'all know the saying, identify your weaknesses and make your strength, and that is more priceless than anything. You know what I'm saying? The knowledge gained on learning additional skills, pressing or pushing my mind out of its comfort zone and doing things like that is just, it's subpar, next to none. So that's why I don't think that the Terminator X is worth it. Because like I said, if you're running just a regular naturally aspirated, if you're not running any boosts, you know what I'm saying, if you're not racing, you know what I'm saying, even if you're running boosts, you can still get away with it with stock computer. I've seen it done by other YouTubers, etc. But I get it, man. I get it. I get it. At the end of the day, I'm a budget-minded channel, or a budget. I am a budget-minded channel within my budget. You know what I'm saying? And so you should be a budget-minded person within your budget. Don't let anybody try to tell you what exactly you should be spending. So if you feel that the Terminator X is right for you and your budget is not a issue, then go ahead, get what you want. If not, and you're trying to find some ways where you can shave some corners and save some money, then I definitely think that you should consider just having a reworked harness and a stock ECU set up on your LS car. So these are my thoughts. I know you feel differently, so put it down in the comments below, and let's get it. As always, remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life's all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go.